Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to replace an image in Canva. This is a Canva template that has many photos that I need to edit. Let's say that you want to replace this center photo. Just go to Uploads, click on it, a new side panel opens up. If your photo is existing in your library, just drag and move it like that. Place it on top of the photo you want to replace. As you can see, this is a preview of your action. Now unhold your button on your my mouse in my case. It will be replaced like that. Now to change or edit the photo, let's say I want the other penguin to be showing in the center. Just double click your new photo. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also this other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Double click your new photo. You will see this shadow. Now just move it like that with using your mouse. And now click on enter. And this is how to replace a photo in Canva. If your photo is not existing in your library, simply upload it from your computer, just like that. Let's add this photo, double click it, and it will be showing in your library from now on. And this is how to replace an image in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.